Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is May Life Sky Girl, and for today's episode, for the very first time, I'm gonna do an unboxing because I received a gift from Omega. I just finished my training today, and last week was very tough and busy, and today was the last day of my training, and I am very relieved that I passed, and I felt that I have to reward myself, but the Omega did it for me. So last week I got this gift because they texted me that they have something for me, and I never bought anything from them, but I received a message that they are giving me a gift, and today I realized that I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna do an unboxing for the first time. So Omega is a luxury Swiss brand for watches that are known for dive watches such as Speedmasters and some timepieces like Constellations, but I'm gonna tell you guys, this is not a watch, okay? So don't expect. Definitely they will not give me any watches as a gift. So are you excited? I'm gonna open this. So I'm gonna open it now. And look at this, beautifully wrapped in red wrapper with Omega logo. Can you see that? So I think I am guessing what it is now. I have never bought anything from them yet, but I always pass by whenever I go to the mall and say hi to the staff, so I think they really appreciate that. And so can you guess what it is? So I'm gonna open this now in front of you. I feel like not opening it, so this is gonna be the first time I'm opening such gift. Yeah, ta-da! I think I am already guessing what it is. So it's in here. And look at that. Look at this. It's in the hard white box. Oh, look at this. Wow, it's a passport holder. It's time to really travel now. So it's really cool. It's really nice. It's black with a red border, and it's really so elegant. It has all this storage for cards that is so useful. So what do you think, guys? So let me try to put my passport. 1 second. So this is my passport that was not that used last year. I think only like 3 to 4 times. So let me try it with my new Omega passport holder. Thank you guys. Thank you, Omega. So there you have it. So it fits very well. I think this is like 10 inches, so it fits really well. And let me try to put some of my documents for the flight. Some of my documents for the flight that I have to carry each flight that I do. So it's in my Chanel card holder. So let me try to put them. But it just fits really well. So there you have it. It's really nice. It's really nice because it really fits. You know, there are like 3 pockets, or 4 actually. This is the bigger one, so I can still put something here. And if I am traveling, which I hope will be soon, for example, this is a boarding pass, I can also put the boarding pass here. Yes, and that's it. It's really, really nice. It's really nice. Look at that. Love it. This is actually my first passport holder that is branded. I'm not really sure where I got this, but it's a leather. So because I don't spend too much for the passport holder, it's just kept in the bag. Yes, so I really love it. And it has the Omega logo. And look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not really used to doing this. I'm not sure whether it's focusing or not. So this is it. My first branded passport holder that is actually a gift from Omega. And I think they will be opening soon in the new Mall of Oman. And they will have a flagship store there. It's gonna be huge. But you can also visit the different branches in Oman, in Muscat. I think they have like 4 or 5, and for sure they will also give you a good price. So for my Oman subscribers and friends, you can check out their new flagship store in Mall of Oman. I think they will be opening in October, and you can check out their timepieces that are really also somehow a good investment. And maybe one day I will be showing you their collections. For sure, wherever you are, there will always be an Omega branch in your city, and maybe they also give or sell something like this, but I'm not really sure. But definitely you have to check out their collections. So thank you once again, Omega, for giving me this leather passport holder that definitely I will be using starting from now. And I think this calls for traveling. So I hope, guys, wherever you are, wherever you travel, having said that, I hope you will still stay safe and you will follow the protocols. And all of us for sure wants to travel, but make sure that we do the right thing, whatever it is. And I hope all of us one day will go back to normal again and will be traveling with our family, friends, and loved ones. So I wish you a safe environment, guys, and I wish you a very good health. And now I can relax a bit because I just finished my training, as I've said, and I got rewarded with a new passport holder. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!